What if you had invested in Cipla quality chemicals? What would be your annual rate of return, your dividends, your capital gains? Yes, first of all, I want to inform you that Cipla changed its name. Now it's Quality Chemicals Industries Limited. So it's a pharmaceutical company. It's located in Luzira Industrial Park, and the company has paid out a total dividend of 49 billion, and it paid a dividend per share of 13.5. The share price by then in January it was 63 shillings. Currently it's 119. So let's dive deep and find out people who invested in this company, what was their dividend and what was their capital gain. So when it comes to the dividend, you shall get 100k divided by the 63 shillings. That was the price of one share in January. And there, with 100k, you get 1,500 shares. With 1 million, you get 15,000 shares. With 10 million, you get 150,000 shares. When you multiply them times the dividend they gave of 13.5 shillings per share, with 100k, you would walk away with 20,000 Ghana shillings. With 1 million, you'd walk out with 200,000 Ghana shillings. And with 10 million, you'd walk out with 2 million. So, here, what was the dividend yield? Get a dividend yield, you get the dividend per share with 13.5 divided by the share price by then, which was 63 shillings. So, you would get 21% dividend yield. So you get a dividend yield or a return on your investment. As far as dividends concerned, you would have gotten 21%. So as an investor who had invested 100k in this company, they would walk away 100k. They would walk away with 20,000 shillings, with 1 million 200k, and with 10 million 2 million. Yes, so that's far as with the dividends. Investors have enjoyed. Yes, I've also enjoyed some of the dividends in Cipla. And when it comes to the capital gains, so for the capital gains here, remember I have the shares of 1,500 with 100k. With 1 million you have 15,000 shares. With 10 million you have 150,000 shares. With the number of shares there, you are going to multiply them times the current share price. So the current share price is 119. So with 100k, when you sell of your shares, you'll be having 178,000. And with 1 million, you'll be having 1,780,000. And with 10 million, you'll be having 17,800,000. 800,000. So you'll be in capital gain. Someone who had invested 100k, they will make a capital gain of 78,000 Ghana shillings. With 1 million, they will make a capital gain of 780,000 shillings. Then with 10 million, they will make a capital gain of 7,800,000 Ugandan shillings. So that would be their capital gain. So what was the annual rate of return? So to get the annual rate of return, we shall get all the profits that we have gotten. So we shall use an example of the 1 million. So with 1 million, I'm making a capital gain of 780. But remember, you made a dividend of 200,000 Ghana shillings. So when you add them, you'll be getting 980,000 Ghana shillings. When you divide it by the amount of money you invested, which is 1 million, you'll be getting 90% return on investment. So someone who had invested in this company, the Quality Chemicals Industries Limited, someone had invested in it, they would have made currently, in November, they would have made a return on investment of 98%. So what I could tell you, both the companies I've talked about, they are dividend paying companies, and someone who is interested to invest in the quality chemicals industries, I'll be glad to help you with the step-by-step process so that you can be able to grow your wealth. And as I always conclude my videos, endeavor to save, to invest,